Hey guys, this is part 1 of becoming an IT genius. In this video, I will show you 5 simple but effective codes in Python. I hope you enjoy. In any Python editor, type print bracket, double quote, and whatever text you want to appear. Your Python editor should automatically put a double quote and a bracket at the end. Once you run your code, it should simply show whatever text you put in between the double quotes. Type in what you want your variable to be named, then equals input. Don't forget to put brackets before and after input. Then type bracket, double quote. Whatever question you want it to ask, double quote bracket. Once you run the code, it should ask the question you typed and you should be able to type anything. Now type if whatever you named your input variable equals double quote, whatever name you want to trigger something, double quote, semicolon, go in a new line and hit space once, then type print bracket, double quote, whatever you want it to say if you type in your certain name. Now if you type in the name in your if statement, then hit enter, it should print whatever text you made it print. But we're not done yet. Right now it's an if statement, but we need to make it an if-else statement. In a new line, type else semicolon, then make a new line and hit space, then type print bracket, double quote, and what you want it to say if you don't type in the text in your if statement. Congratulations, you have made an if-else statement. In my case, it asks you what is your favorite superhero, and if you type in Spider-Man, it says awesome choice. But if you don't type Spider-Man, it will say nice choice, but Spider-Man is better. If you type print double quote whatever text you want to duplicate, double quote space shift 8, and how many times you want to duplicate your text and run the code, it will print your text. How many times you made it duplicate. If you want each copy to be in separate lines, just put a \n before your double quote at the end. Now type in what we learned before, allowing us to type in an input, the variable for the input. In this case, it is called name, and it will ask what is your name, and if you want, you can add 2 \n's. Then in a new line, type print bracket, double quote, something like oh hi space double quote, then space and plus name, plus double quote, something like an exclamation mark, and end the code with a bracket. Now if you run the code, it will ask what is your name, and after typing your name and hitting enter, it will say oh hi, whatever input you typed in with an